I thought they were done. I thought they were over with. I was ready to haul them up, pull them up, and lo and behold, hey there, nature lovers, welcome back to the channel. So, as a gardener, you've planted your crops and you waited for them to grow, you waited for them to mature, you waited for them to fruit, but nothing. You've waited so long and nothing came of them. And so you want to pull them up. You want to haul them up, as we say here in the islands. Before you do so, stop it. Stop it. There's one quality as a gardener that you must exercise, and that is patience. And that was the case with these 3 crops that I'm going to be sharing with you today. I thought they were done. I thought they were over with. I was ready to haul them up, pull them up, and lo and behold, they surprised me. So come along, let's go, let's grow like a pro while I show you these 3 crops. So guys, the first crop I'm going to share with you is what we refer to as broad beans or lima beans. I have not planted this crop in a long while, and so about 6 months ago, yes guys, 6 months ago, you see how long I'm waiting? That's why I tell you, patience is a virtue. And I planted this so long ago and thought that they were not going to come to anything. I was going to pull them up and get rid of them because they're taking up space in my garden, even though they're growing vertically. But I waited and gave them some time, and look what happened. Look. Yes guys, see it right here. Amazing. And those are just a few of them. There are so many others up in the top of the tree. I'm going to have to get something like a stick to get them down. Guys, the plant surprised me. Just as I thought I was going to pull them up because I can't be bothered with them. They have taken over the June plum tree. They have taken over the wall behind me, everywhere. And so I'm saying to myself, no, get rid of them. And yes, they did surprise me. They are fruiting, they are growing, they are producing. And I am so happy to see that. Broad beans that we can put in our stews. And there's so many others up in the tree. I'm going to have to get a stick to take them down, guys. Amazing. And yes guys, I know that they're ready because they're hard. These are some of them. This one is not so ready because I can feel it's a bit soft. Some of them have even dried on the tree. See some dried ones up there? Right, all the way up. I'm seeing pods. Guys, don't be afraid if it's anything crawling on the wall. If you're afraid of lizards, you cannot be a gardener. They're all over. That's passion fruit actually that I'm showing you, that the beans had taken over the passion fruit and almost smothered them. But since they have produced and are growing their own fruits, they have subsided somewhat and the passion fruit are back on top. By the way guys, I am Sandra and I provide gardening tips, tricks, hacks and DIYs for beginner gardeners mainly here on YouTube. So if it's your first time joining me on this channel, welcome. Thank you guys so much. And to those who have supported me over the years, I thank you for your encouragement and loyal support. Thanks a lot. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And also keep your notification bell on so that every time I post, you will be notified. Thank you very much. Now let's get back into the video. So yes guys, that was the first one. Broad beans or lima beans. Not always 3, 2 in this one, the small one. Not always 3, look at that. 4 in a pod. Organic, guys. No pesticide. I'm gonna show you the others. So guys, I'm going towards the others now. Yes, going right here in our island. And the second one I want to share with you guys is something that I hardly ever grow, but I tried my hands at it and I thought that it wasn't coming to anything. I thought they had died down because I wasn't seeing anything, and then when the rains came, I'm so grateful for the rains. When the rains came, even though we had a storm, the rains just have a way of replenishing and revitalizing everything. Anything rainwater touch, any plant it touch, even when the plant is dying, it come back up. It comes right back up. And guys, that's what it did to this plant. What is it? Ginger. Ginger, let me show you what the ginger looks like. Takes a long time. I have these growing for over 6 months. Look at them, guys, coming up so beautifully. And yes, guys, I've dug around it a little bit, and yes, ginger is there, growing back up nicely. The rhizomes are nice and thick and strong. I got a peep, yes. So that's ginger. So here's another one, guys, that I had planted and I had forgotten about it until the other day I saw it coming up, because it was so long. I said, wow, it may have just died down. And lo and behold, I came out here and look, it was hidden behind some bushes, and when I removed the bushes, there's a ginger plant. And yes, I did a little peep as well, and yes, the rhizome thick, the bulb is thick. Yes, guys, that's the second one, ginger. You see why I told you that we have to be patient as gardeners. We have to cultivate that quality, because we have to wait. We have to wait. It's not our timing. We have to wait. We have to be appreciative, we have to be thankful, and we have to wait. Good thing I waited, because I would have knocked those plants out, thrown them away, haul them up and throw them away. But see, they are coming up nicely, beautifully. Guys, this is turmeric, and this is the next plant that I have been waiting for so many months to come to anything. Over 9 months for this one. This one is like giving a birth to a baby. Over 9 months. And see, guys, yes, over 9 months I've been waiting for the turmeric. Planted it so long, and see, surrounded by what we call guinea hen. That's for another video. Yeah, look at the rhizomes, guys. Look at them. See? Yes, guys, long time, 9 long months or more for this one, turmeric. It's really, really worth the wait, because this plant here is good for so many things. I can't take it out just yet because I want this to dry down a little bit more. But look how many stalks it has put out. I just planted a little rhizome, and look how much have come out of it as a result. So see, I've got extra, all of these. So as soon as it dries down a little bit more, then I will harvest this one. See it there? It has a tangerine color inside, like a burnt orange inside it. I don't even want to scratch it, you know, guys. See? That's the color of it right there. See? Right. So that's turmeric. The rhizome there, guys, look, I'm just waiting for it to die down a bit, dry down a little bit before I harvest. But look, they are coming out even on top of the ground. And guys, it was just a little piece of the rhizome from the turmeric that I planted, you know. And look how many plants came out of that one little rhizome. And see, now I have several plants, and as you can see, they're growing up and they are ready, almost ready. I'm just waiting. That again took over 6 months. So patience is a virtue. We have to be patient as gardeners. And if I weren't patient, then I would not have been seeing that amount of success in these plants, in these 3 plants. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I'm sure you'll learn 2 things from it. 1, how to be patient as a gardener. And 2, you've seen that some crops take longer than others to come to maturity. And goes back to the first point, you just have to be patient. So guys, if you feel that you cannot wait for such a long time to get your produce, join me in my next video where I will share with you several crops that will take just about 2 to 3 months for you to get your fruits. Until I see you in the next one, have a good one. Bye bye. Enough love, sooner next time.